have more lights in here than Las Vegas. I've told you 1,000 times. I enjoy watching you enjoy yourself.
What it do, to welcome back to the channel, man. Today I'm going to attempt to hook up my day running light turn signal fog lights. So yeah, that might be a little tricky. They are pretty simple with the stock lights. However, my headlights and my fog lights are both aftermarket, so yeah, that's going to be yeah, I'm not sure what wires are going to go to what, because they're all RGB color chasing type thing. So there's a lot more wires down there than what's normal than the regular black, yellow, and red wires. So yeah, this is going to be a little testy, but there they go. There's my batteries so I can test them. So we're about to kick this video off, man. Let's go. Alright guys, so I got my battery back out. These are the standard black and red. Yellow's the turn signals. So yeah, it's gonna be, I gotta figure out what wires will be the turn signals with the aftermarket lights. And we're about to give this a little test now, see if the lights even power up before I even start this endeavor. So let's do that now and get you back on. Alright guys, test the power. The only thing we won't be testing in here is the turn signal, because there's no turn signal power in here. But there you have it. They work. Now let's get out here, see if I can pop the old ones off. Looks like they might be a little difficult getting off. So we can pop the old ones off. Get these wired up. There's only 3 wires. I mean, really, 4 wires. Red, black, yellow. That's it. So, I mean, it really shouldn't be that difficult, but we are about to see. Alright, so let's see. I already got a couple things pulled back out here. Had to take the front and back of the cover off. Get my little pad out, as I will be on my knees. So we gotta pop this off, wire it up, pop it on. Sounds simple, right? Aftermarket fog lights, aftermarket headlights. So I'll have to splice the turn signal into these. This is the turn signal on the headlights, and power up the rest down here to be day running lights. I don't even know what part of that it would be. I'll probably just have to put them into the headlights. I don't know. I gotta see when I get there. Anyway, let's see if we could pop this off, hopefully without damaging anything, so we can see how we can wire these up. Been running back and forth, guys, trying to find my little pry screwdriver so I could get the stock covers off. I cannot find it. Just had it yesterday. Now it's completely gone. And I'm racing against time here, trying to beat the dark. And I cannot find the screwdriver that I just had yesterday, last night, matter of fact. Just gone. The only one that I could use on this without damaging the paint. So this is this may stop this project because I cannot find it. It could only be one place. It's not there. There's not even a possibility for it to be two places. It can only be one place, and it's just not there. Alright guys, so I finally got them on there, as you can see. Let me stand back. And they look really awesome. So what I had to do was, I was racing against time, guys, so I didn't have a lot of time to stop and record a lot of stuff. I know, especially when I'm doing a video like this, but I had to extend the wires because they weren't long enough to reach all the way up here after being down at the fog lights. And then I had to tap into the fuse, put it on the negative terminal switch, and hopefully they will turn on when the car turned on, because they are daytime running lights. I did not hook up the turn signal part. I didn't really care about that part. I wanted the daytime running light and the white light on these. So the moment of truth is we're about to see if they come on when the car come on. But I need someone here to help me with that. Just a minute here. Hold on, let me start. All right, guys, this is my neighbor, Mr. Tom. I call him over here. You're on YouTube, Mr. Tom.
Just what I need.
All right, you're going to press the brake pedal and hit the red button.
Yes.
But wait till I get in front, though. Wait till I get in front so I can see they come on. Yeah.
Okay.
I'll let you know when they hit it.
Okay.
Go ahead. Brake pedal and button. But you got to hold the brake pedal down, though.
I am. It says key.
Oh, that's right. I got the key. that's not going to work if you ain't got the key, huh?
Hey.
All right, ready. And voila. It works. Let me see Mr. Tom's reaction, because he hasn't looked in here. What you think about all the newness?
There was something clicking when I first started.
That's the blend door actuator. I need to replace that. But that is
Kevin,
really hard to replace.
I love what you do with it.
These lights are new this year, and the ones that I just did out front is new.
You're having, how's the battery holding up?
It's a new high-powered battery, so far I'm not having any issues. That's why I'm able to get around with it, because this is almost a $350 battery compared to the regular batteries that come with it. So it's made for this type of stuff.
You have more lights in here than Las Vegas. I've told you 1,000 times. I enjoy watching you enjoy yourself.
I enjoy this part. I enjoy this part. But all the labor part, that's the stressful part.
Yeah, well,
but I enjoy the end result.
You're a very patient man. To put all these lights in here, I'd have probably got 100 and got pissed off and quit.
Oh yeah, I had to do them individually.
Yeah, like I said, I applaud what you do. It's a comfort to see somebody enjoy themselves.
Yeah,
And honestly, you do.
All right, now you got to see the front. I'm gonna turn it off. You got to see it when it start up, because that's the new additions when it start up. All right, guys, as Mr. Tom go back into the house, man. Look at it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's the look I was going for. So all I got to do is I didn't had all the wires and stuff yet, so I still got to do that part, guys. But we got power. It's been holding power, and the new lights is phenomenal, guys. They are phenomenal, man. I haven't even turned on the headlights and fog lights yet, man. Matter of fact, let's do that. Let's see what that looks like. Alright guys, let's get a little remote start action. I gotta run and get some gas and get a little fruit from the store. Oh yeah. Man. I love that, man. I love that. What it doing here? You know what I'm saying? What it doing here? Nothing. Alright, y'all, now dark. Let's see what it look like. Get that money shot, you know what I'm saying? Here we go. Let's count it down. And that is the money shot. Now, the glare's messing it up on video, but in person, guys, man, in person, you know what I'm saying? It's like that. You know what I mean? But the glare in the camera's messing it up. You can't even see what it really looked like in person. You know what I mean? Unless I get super close. But man, now do that look mean or that look mean? That looks mean. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm talking about. That looks mean. Dang. Gotta do the inside, man. Let's go on ahead and do the inside.
I'ma do shit my way, so you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks up.
Again, guys, the video just don't do it no justice. As bright and vibrant as the colors are, you can't tell on video. Oh, what we got up there? What we got up there? Oh, don't mind my car cover. That's my car cover back there. I got the roof on color change, fade color change, and I got the meteors on. Y'all can see it twinkling, you know what I'm saying? I got the twinkle effect going. We got the starry sky up there. Alright guys, I am going to wrap it up for this video, man. The next one will be going to get my tires. So, man, now the issue that I ran into right now, guys, I'm wrapping the video up now, still wrapping it up, but man, I gotta go a little bit of ways to get the tires put on, guys. I mean, it's not far, but it's far if things ain't added up right. So y'all know I got the yellow top put in. And the ground, the negative pole is fine, but the power terminal, the power port to the car that goes to the power terminal is not staying on it. The negative one is, the power one ain't. So I don't know what's going on there. I've like tightened the terminal as much as it could be tightened, and it goes on the terminal, but it's not snug on the terminal. Let's say that. So if I hit a pothole or bump or something, it'll, you know, now it hasn't happened yet, but it's so loose that, you know, it could just knock the whole terminal off and the whole car will just turn off right in the middle of the, you know, wherever I'm at. You know what I'm saying? And if I happen to be on the highway and something like that happened at those speeds, and then the car just suddenly lose power and stop, because there's nothing I could do until I put the terminal back on there, put the cable back on the terminal. You know what I'm saying? So, man, that could be a pretty bad situation if something like that happens. But get in the comments, man. Let me know if there's anything I could do to get the power cable snug on the positive terminal of the battery. Like I said, man, the negative one is good. It's gravy. It's on there snug. The positive one is just, it's just not snug. You know what I mean? It's just not snug. It's just not doing it. And it's as tight as I can get it already, and I can still pick it up and take it off the terminal. You know what I mean? So it's like that. It's just not, I just can't tighten it to the terminal. You know what I'm saying? So, man, anyway, if y'all know of anything I can do, man, get in the comments, let me know. We're going to wrap it up for this video, man. Like, share, subscribe. Your boy is back dropping these videos, man. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see y'all